be sure to fully unpack your ionHealth Pro and Smart Faucet. These are the items that come with your ionHealth Pro and Smart Faucet. Open the front door of the ionizer and check that both filters are installed and seated correctly. Remove the stoppers on the water in and out lines. Feed the tubing and black cable attached to the smart faucet down the hole in the sink. Place the smart faucet into the hole. Under the sink, take the white tubing and black cable attached to the faucet and feed them through the silver washer and wing nut. Screw on the wing nut to the smart faucet and tighten. Turn off the cold water supply. Unscrew the metal hose from the cold water line and place the T-fitting in between the metal hose and cold water supply. Hand tighten only. Install the loose white tubing to the cold water T-fitting by firmly pushing it in. Take the tubing we just connected to the T-fitting and insert it to the in or closest to the back of the machine. Be sure to push the tubing in firmly for a secure connection. Cut the tube connected from the cold water T-fitting and install the included dust filter with the blue side closest to the T-fitting. Reconnect the loose tube to the white side. Ensure the arrow on the dust filter follows the flow of water and make sure the tubes are connected securely to prevent any leaks. Take the 1/4-inch smaller tube from the smart faucet and install it into the out next to the red dot. Plug the black cable from the smart faucet into the top back of the ionizer. Take the included male fitting from the parts bag and screw it into the top of the ionizer. Connect the remaining 5/16 tube from the smart faucet into the male fitting. Turn on the ionHealth Pro. When installed with the smart faucet, this is what the front of the unit will look like. Please note, the controls on the front of the ionizer will no longer work. The water settings can be adjusted from the smart faucet directly. Make sure your smart faucet is powered on and working by touching a few of the buttons. You're now ready to use your ionHealth Pro with Smart Faucet. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-601-5886.